Okay, so hi. So we have this super smart lad who's coming all the way from London. We're gonna do some minor revision procedures with his chin and everything. So I'm going to ask him a few questions. He's been kind enough to answer those questions. He's requested his identity not to be revealed, so we're gonna do that. But I think he's going to tell us his experience till now coming to Nagercoil. I've been I think in touch with you for now 4 months.
I think 4 or 5 months.
So since 1 month after your surgery, I'm in consultation with you. So about 4 or 5 months, and he just got here yesterday, and we're planning something today. So I want him to tell our viewers what his experience, what your experience was till now, and anything else that you want to share.
Yeah, so overall it's been a really positive experience, and I think I reached out to you on WhatsApp from London maybe 4 or 5 months ago, and I just asked you a few questions about a reduction or revision genioplasty, and you were very helpful, and you replied in depth, and you said I could have one consultation, and then I still had a few more questions a couple of months later, and it was in the midst of the pandemic, so you then allowed another consultation, which was very helpful, and then we flew down to Bangalore, and then from there to Nagercoil, and now I'm here. So It's all been very positive.
All right, and I know you had a procedure 6 months ago, and I know it's not nice or not. I know how bad it feels when you're thinking of going in and getting something done. So, was the information I gave you soothing, or was it comforting enough? Was it making you feel that okay, we can get it sorted out?
Yeah, of course. I had a few questions about the risks, and you very clearly told me what they were and how likely they were to happen. And yeah, you made me feel very comforted and relaxed about the whole thing.
Anything you want to say about yesterday's consult? Because that was a big consult we had in person, especially with the scans.
Yeah, well, it was actually very impressive that the scans were so clear and they could be done so quickly in the other room. So it was also very impressive how technical it was, that you showed the exact millimeters of the movement. So that was all very professional, and yeah, you answered even more of my questions yesterday, so I felt very relaxed about the whole thing.
Yeah, and also you were wanting to get one particular kind of a revision in mind.
Yeah.
But I explained to you how the other procedure that we're actually going to do today is going to benefit you. And so that was a process that I think you took a while to get into. Anything you want to say about that?
Yeah, well, I sort of had an idea before that this would be the right thing, but you explained that would have been wrong, and it wouldn't have benefited me, and the other alternative which you suggested seems much better, so I was pleased with that.
Thanks for that, and so I hope everything's gonna be just all right.
Hope so.
Thank you once more.
Thank you.